hydrophilicity, topography, biological interaction, biofunctionality of Geistlich Bio Oss, clinical success through unique characteristics. Geistlich is the world leader in regenerative dentistry.
The key to the success of Geistlich Bio Oss lies in the combination of a well-balanced manufacturing process and its natural origins. On the one hand, this manufacturing process ensures an effective removal of the natural organic components from the bovine source material. On the other, this highly sophisticated process is balanced in such a way that the inorganic mineral framework retains its natural configuration. The final product is a naturally grown bone material which bears an extraordinary resemblance to the body's own human bone mineral. Functional parameters such as crystal configuration, the structure of pores and surfaces, and the morphology are identical. This analogy is the key to the outstanding biofunctionality of Geistlich Bio Oss.
Current research has defined several main biofunctional characteristics which guarantee an optimum regeneration. These include hydrophilicity, topography, and biological interaction. Hydrophilicity. The hydrophilicity of a bone regeneration material is essential to the complete pervasion with blood and the blood factors. This is the basis for a good integration into the bony metabolism. This high degree of hydrophilicity is due to the unique combination of micropores and macropores in the bimodal pore structure of Geistlich Bio Oss. This system of interconnecting pores forms a network with a strong capillary suction effect. This ideal capillary effect of the interconnecting micro and micropores enables a fast and highly efficient pervasion of Geistlich Bio Oss with blood. This can be clearly demonstrated in laboratory tests. The higher the hydrophilic absorbency, the more messenger substances contained in the blood can be absorbed and retained. These messenger substances induce the migration of cells into the material for vascularization and the formation of new bone. Topography. The external and internal shape of the bone regeneration material is important for the topography. A stable hollow space with physiological properties must be provided, which supports the complete ingrowth of new bone. Because of its natural origin, Geistlich Bio Oss exhibits the same geometry and specific surface area as human bone. The dimension of the naturally grown micro and macropores in Geistlich Bio Oss allows for a pervasion with blood, cells, and messenger substances, and thus efficiently supports the ingrowth of bone-forming cells and the infiltration of new blood vessels. A natural cancellous structure creates an optimal volume of hollow space within the graft. Together with the strong suction effect, capillary effect, Geistlich Bio Oss provides optimum conditions for a complete pervasion of the material with blood and the formation of a blood clot. The formation of this blood clot is the basis of vascularization and therefore a prerequisite for the optimum incorporation of the graft into the natural bone metabolism. Biological interaction. Biological interaction is defined as the manner in which a bone regeneration material interacts with the body's own tissue in order to achieve the desired formation of new bone. Due to its characteristics, Geistlich Bio Oss has the same surface and material properties as human bone on a microscopic scale. This supports a positive interaction with the biological system and promotes a colonization with messenger substances, proteins, and cells. In turn, This colonization promotes the ingrowth of blood vessels, for which Geistlich Bio Oss serves as a guide for the cells. This allows for the incorporation of the graft into the cancellous structure of the newly formed bone. Consequently, Geistlich Bio Oss is integrated continuously into the natural remodeling process. Natural remodeling is one of the key constituents of the high-volume stability and structural integrity of the Geistlich Bio Oss graft. Hydrophilicity, topography, and biological interaction interact optimally to provide the biofunctionality of Geistlich Bio Oss and enable an effective osseointegration of the Geistlich Bio Oss particles. The material becomes an integral component of the new bone structure. This is clearly evident from the most important indicator of all, namely long-term implant survival rate, that is, clinical success. At 96%, Geistlich Bio Oss is even superior to using autologous bone. Thank you for your attention.